being who I am, Luigi, the Italian cooking guy, of course, we're out at this garlic festival, and I have to try the garlic sorbet or ice cream, whatever you want to call it. It's got garlic in it. So let's try it. Here we go, guys. It's different. It doesn't suck. It's actually pretty good. It's got little chunks of garlic, and it's got what appear to be like maybe little pieces of lemon rind in there. But my camera lady's saying that my breath smells, so it must have quite a bit of garlic in it. But looks great. Great consistency. You can see some chunks over here, right there, right there. You get up on it. Ta-da. All right, guys. So Luigi, the Italian cooking guy, coming at you from Mystic, Connecticut at the Garlic Festival. We'll see you guys soon. Salud, my paisans.